Hey Mahi, what's up? 3 p.m. How's the app shaping up?
Hi, Nusrat. Yeah, I'm fine. It's just tiring to work with this client, and the new feature isn't foolproof yet. See, थोड़े bugs है लगता है.
Okay. Mahi, the bug needs to go soon. We have a demo in 3 days, and this feature isn't yet integrated in the final product. Have you spoken to the troubleshooting team?
I'm trying. It worked yesterday actually. Then again, I found the bug, and I again reworked on it. And I'll talk to the troubleshooting team if there's still a problem.
Okay. Mahi, this needs to be fixed ASAP. You know how the client is, right? They want everything. In fact, the reason I wanted to talk to you was in our last weekly call, they have come up with a request to create an additional storage space. So that's again need to be built in 3 days.
I don't understand this, yeah, Nusrat. I mean, why are you changing the scope when we've signed it already? We should be sticking to the initial agreement. I can't handle this. I'm not a machine, right? And you want me to do this extra work? You should be negotiating with the client. You're just not doing your job properly.
Mahi, he talk to me like that. I mean, why is this annoyance and this rage? I understand they are demanding more, but this temperament is something which will not go down well. I mean, you are behaving badly in the last couple of weeks, and I experience it firsthand now. There had been complaints against you. Your products, the deliverables are delayed. You fought with your project colleague, Philip, and I did not say anything because you are a good worker. And I was like, it's okay, time, this would be a one-off situation. I know my job, okay? We need to do whatever the client is saying. So you would build this additional space.
Nusrat, I don't know. Do you even get me? Do you even understand who am I anyway? So.
Look, Mahi, we all got to serve the client. Sometimes more work comes our way, but we need to do that. Your job is to build the additional space. Mine is to run the project. And we both will do our jobs. So let's not spread irritabilities here. I got no time for this, Mahi. I'm sorry. I'll wait to see the development from you tomorrow in our weekly catch up. And yeah, that's it. Take care.
Yeah, fine.
Whoa, that was some conversation. Tough and dry. Let's hear from Nusrat and Mahi how they felt about this conversation.
Nusrat isn't pushing the client enough. She just doesn't understand how challenging it is working on this project. I'm exhausted mentally, emotionally, intellectually. I just want to get out of this project, out of her team. It's crap here.
What was that? Mahi thinks, is she indispensable or what? Such rude way of talking? I am absolutely shocked at this reaction. There is a drop in her quality of work. Rather than fixing it, she's questioning me. What's happening?
Have you been facing similar situations with your people? Can there be a different way to lead this conversation? Well, let's find out.
Hi Mahi, what's up? How's the new feature in the app shaping up?
Hi, Nusrat. ठीक हूँ मैं. It's a bit tiring, yeah, working with this client. The new feature isn't foolproof yet. It seems like there's a few bugs.
Oh, is it? You had been working on this for days. What's the problem? Do you think somebody can help us?
I'm trying. I tested it yesterday, and today morning it was fine. But then again, there were bugs after that. I've reworked a few of the codes. I'll reach out to the troubleshooting team. I guess by day after it should be sorted.
Okay, well, it gets fixed, Mahi. You know how the client is, right? They want everything like yesterday. They like what we do. And in fact, the reason why I wanted to speak with you was in the last conversation, they had asked for an additional space to be created by us. It wasn't part of the initial scoping. However, now we need to build that piece too in probably 3 days' time.
Are you serious, Nusrat? I don't really understand this. I mean, 3 days. Why are you changing the scope of the project, which we've signed already? We should have just stuck to the initial agreement, right? I can't handle this. I mean, I'm not a machine, okay? You want me to do this, then you want the extra work. You should be negotiating with the client. You're not doing your job properly. I just don't get it.
Mahi, what is happening with you? Why this rage and anxiety and annoyance? Are you okay?
How does it matter how I am? I'm just continuously getting more and more work from you. I mean, I'm working all day. You need to push the client.
Oh, I hear you. We will talk about what I need to do later. At this point of time, I want to talk about you. What is happening with you, Mahi? You are visibly angry and agitated. Your deliverables are delayed 3 times in the last 2 weeks. You also ended up losing temper or fighting with your project colleague Philip the other week.
Look, no, some delays happen, okay? And that argument, Philip is just such a stickler for process. He's just very rigid.
Okay. Look, you had been a wonderful team player who would do her job, stretch when required, convince others to hear your perspective without even offending them in any way. Now, what I have experienced you earlier and what I'm hearing and observing you in the recent past, it's far from those qualities. I care for you, and hence I want to make sure you are fine. So please talk, Mahi.
I don't want to talk about my problems. You want that extra space, you will get it, okay? Let's move further.
Mahi, we would move forward and again come back to the same issue in our next call. How about we talk now and make sure in future situations there are no such challenges.
It's not going to leave me alone, right? Okay, I'm exhausted. Okay? I'm just scared with everything that's going on over here, and the pandemic. The client is so challenging. The household work is so much, and on top of it, I'm used to working 12 hours or more, and my family was fine with it. I like my work, but from working from home is just driving me crazy. My child keeps throwing tantrums because he's not allowed to go out and work and play, and there's so much of work in the house. I even tried taking sleeping pills and it didn't work. I was just staring at the ceiling all night. I'm just tired.
I am sorry to hear about all that is troubling you, Mahi. I wish we had spoken earlier when I saw some gaps in your deliverable. You are going through a rough patch, it looks like. And I had been loading you with work without realizing what's your mental status. It's my responsibility now to help you and overcome this situation. Would you like to share a few thoughts on how do we create a workload balance wherein you feel relaxed and are also able to rebuild your emotional strength?
I'm actually, Nusrat, thank you for talking to me. I mean, you don't normally expect to talk to a colleague or a boss about your emotional state. And talking to you and opening up to you has really helped me because you know that I like my work, and I feel really bad that I'm making these stupid mistakes. It was never how I was. And I'm really sorry for venting out and accusing you. It's just that I'm so frustrated and no one seems to understand what I'm going through, and I'm just getting more and more work.
Sure. Mahi, I understand. And this whole personal and professional space, they coexist with overlapping elements and one will impact the other. Let's acknowledge this and discuss how to deal with it. A few things that I can think of is I can pitch in a few hours to help you fix the bug.
Thank you for watching our video. If you found this video intriguing, do leave a comment and let us know. And yes, stay tuned for more.